Hello friends, welcome back to our channel on statistics. So in the last class we discussed about central tendency, MCQs and some problems and theory everything. Okay, from central tendency. So now we are discussing previous year questions from central tendency for ASO exam or in AP level. Okay, so I have one paper in 2017. So now we clear the total concept from central tendency. So this is the question paper. See here, this is question number 76, means 75 questions are computer science economics plus 75 questions are statistics. See the stable average of central tendency measures. So in the lectures, so I kindly requested you all please watch previous year videos. Okay, on topic wise central tendency, MCQs and problems. So then it is very easy to solve this type of question. So what is the stable average? So we already discussed that which is the best measure in central tendency. Mean is the best measure. Why? Because there are some properties are there for satisfying best measure. Okay, maximum mean will be satisfy these all properties. So mean is the ideal measure in central tendency. So option 2 is the correct answer. So next we have which is the suitable average to be used if the data is qualitative. So in the data we have two types, quantitative and qualitative. If the data is quantitative, then we preferable mean. If data is qualitative, then what we will do? We use median. Why? So if we take any example here, median is, for example, you have some non-measurable data like textbook. So in textbook you have 100 pages are there. So what you will do? You can just arrange 50% pages and 50% pages and middle page is the median. Like this you can measure median also. Okay. So this is the for qualitative data median is best measure. And in the similarly for parametric data median is the best. Non-parametric data median is the best. Okay. So see this type of question we already discussed here. Mean is 18. Then harmonic mean is 8, then geometric mean is what? So what is the relationship between g square is equal to a into h? So what is the a? 18 into 8, so it implies that 144. So when you take the square root, it is 12. Okay, so very simple questions, 1 minute they are giving for each question, you can solve within some seconds. Next again, arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two observations are 5 and 4 respectively. Then what are the two observations? See, they are giving x plus y. I am assuming that x plus y are my two observations by 2 equal to 5. This means what? X plus y equal to 10. This is AM. Equation number 1. We no need all these things also. I will tell start trick also. What is the geometric mean? Square root of xy. So I am taking xy square root I am applying here. Xy equal to 16. This is equation number 2. సో మనకి ఈ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆప్షన్స్లో ఏవి సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుందో చూడండి ముందు. ఓకే, సి 4 plus 4 not 10, 8 plus 3 not 10, 4 plus 8 12. So it is the correct. So if options are matching more than one, then check go for this also. Check these two also, then it will be fine. ఓకే, మీరు చూస్తాను చెప్పేయచ్చు నో నీడ్ టు వరీ. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు ఆప్షన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశారనుకో 4 plus 4 8 అంటే మీకు మీన్ ఇక్కడ 4 వస్తుంది, బట్ మీకు మీన్ అనేది 5 రావాలి. ఇక్కడ 11 వస్తుంది, 5.5. ఇక్కడ 12 అంటే 6 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ మటుకి మనకి 5 వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. యూ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ డూ ఫ్రమ్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆల్సో. See this here, mean is 4.4 and variance is 8.24. Three of the given observations are 1, 6, 2. Then find the other two observations. So మనకి వేరియన్స్ ఇంకా డిస్కస్ చేయలేదు. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ సూ ద మీన్ హౌ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్. సో మనకి ఆల్రెడీ 3 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఐఎమ్ అజ్యూమింగ్ దట్ దీస్ 3 9 plus x plus y by 5 equal to 4.4 g given. So x plus 5 equal to 20, 22 minus 9. That implies x plus y equal to how much? It will be 9, 11. So 11 13. సో నాకు వేరియబుల్స్ రెండుగా యాడప్ చేస్తే 13 రావాలా. సో గో ఫర్ ఆప్షన్స్. సో ఇక్కడ 13 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 13 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 13 వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 13 వస్తుంది. సో నౌ క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ స్టార్ట్స్ నౌ. సో కంపల్సరీ మనం వేరియన్స్ టెక్నిక్ ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ 9 plus 4 13. So 10 plus 3 also 13. Okay, now we will go for again variance also. If you find the variance, so what is the formula for variance? Summation of x square by n minus summation of x by n whole square. So this is the formula for variance. So we have already summation of x square means these are the sum values. 1 square means 1, 6 square means 36. 36 plus 1 plus 4, it is taking more time. If there is any best static, we will discuss it. 41 plus x square plus y square by 5 minus this is the mean. So what is the mean? X plus y minus 13. So I am writing here 41 plus x square plus y square by 5 minus what is the mean? This value x plus y minus 13 whole square equal to 8.24. Now you can substitute any value. So for example, we take this value 8 comma 5. When you substitute your 8 comma 5, then what will be the value? So if you substitute 8 here, 41 64. So better we would directly discuss 9 comma 4. 41 9 square is 81, 4 square is 16. So 8 13 138 by 5. So this is one side. Next here when you substitute 9 comma 4 13 minus that is 0. So it will be the 0. So this cancellation is how much? If something mistake will be there. If we find mean here, sorry, we need to put this value directly here. We forgot that. So మనకి ఇక్కడ mean square అంటే 4.4 మా 4.4 square substitute చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. So 4.4 into 4.4 how much? 16. 4 4 the 16 17 176. So 6 13 9. So 19.36 here. Then ఇక్కడ మనకు ఉంది కదా. సో ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 5 2s are 10. 38 means 38. 5 7s are 35.6. So 27.6 minus ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 19.36. 19.36. So here what you will get? So 27 లో 9 పోతే 8 point. So 0 means 4. 5 లో 3 పోతే 8.24. So observe method అర్థమైంది కదా మీకు. ఆప్షన్స్ క్రాస్ చెక్ చేయాలి. So it will take more time. In the next class we will discuss if there is any shortcut I will find. Okay. So mean of 100 observations is 50. Then what will be the new mean? If 5 is added, then each observation is multiplied by 3. See question properly. They are saying mean of 100 observations is 50. When will be the new? What will be the new mean if 5 is added? So if we add the 5 to each observation, or only 5 is added and each observation is multiplied by 3 means. Now here no doubt 3 into 50 will come 150. Means they are saying that each observation we are multiplying by 3. Next, what will be the new mean if 5 is added? So first add the 5 into 3, 30 plus 15. So 150 plus 15 is 165. So 165 is the answer. Okay. There మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 words కేర్ఫుల్ గా గమనించాలి. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ దేర్ ఇక్కడ ఈచ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ అంటున్నాడు. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈచ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ అంటే మల్టిప్లై చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది మీరు. ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్ The average marks of boys in particular subject was 80 and the girls was 65. Then the average marks will be the student was 74, then ratios. So these are very simple questions. See, so they are saying 80 boys plus 65 girls. 65 girls. What is the average for both 74 boys and 74 girls? So if you solve this equation, you will get the answer. So 84 boys lo 74 boys both 6 boys. 74 boys lo 65 girls. 74 girls lo 65 girls both 9 girls. So what is the ratio of 2, 3? So if when you consider as B by G, so it is like 3 by 2. So boys are 3, girls are 2. 3:2. Okay, very simple question. So next we have the point of intersection of the less than and more than ogive curves. Remember ogive curves possible ఉండేది మనకు median లోనే. Okay, histogram వచ్చి mode. That is direct question. The breadth of the rectangle is equal to the length of the class interval. So this is a area of diagram. So it is standard. Frequency density is used to construction of. So frequency density means this. Like this we are plotting histograms, then we are like this we are doing now. This is called frequency density histogram. So again this is also standard formula for how to find class interval. So this is the formula. Probability మనం probability ఏ టైంలో అప్లై చేస్తామా అంటే అక్కడ మెజరబుల్ లేని సిచ్యువేషన్లో మనం probability అప్లై చేస్తాం. So relative frequency are always lies between 0 to 1, which is equal to not this one. So this is open interval, closed interval is the answer. So definition of empirical definition is given by 1. You observe, you would observe that James Berlin is different. A and Kolmogorov is classical probability, empirical probability is given by 1. The first person to obtain quantitative measure of uncertainty is James. So మీకు ఇదంతా లిటరేచర్ తెలియాలి అంటే స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ బుక్స్ రీడ్ చేయాల్సిందే. బిఎల్ అగ్రవాల్ బుక్ ఆర్ ఎఫ్ఎంఎస్ బుక్ ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, సో థియరీ క్వశ్చన్. See, if probability of A equal to 0, then it is null event. If probability of A is equal to 1, it means compulsory event or pure event. So next then the missing frequency of the following data in the given matrix. So they are asking question from median. We already discussed this question. You just find the cumulative frequency here 5, 13. So I am assuming that 13 plus x. So ఇక్కడ 19 plus x, ఇక్కడ 22 plus x. So this is the procedure, actual procedure. If there is any shortcut, okay, we will do procedure, then we will discuss. So ఇక్కడ మనకు n వాల్యూ l ప్లస్ ఫార్ములా వచ్చి l ప్లస్ n/2 మైనస్ cf బై స్మాల్ f ఇంటూ c. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫార్ములా. సో n తెలియాలంటే మనకు టోటల్ ఇక్కడ 22 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్. సో 22 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ బై 2 అంటే మనకు మ్యాక్సిమం 11. సో దిస్ విల్ బి ద median class. So this will be the capital F. This will be the when we draw the line, this will be the capital F, this will be the small f. L is the 20. So we substitute the values. L plus 22 plus x by 2 minus capital F is 13. 10. Okay, by small f is the x, c is the 10. Otherwise we can substitute each and value, we can calculate that also. Well, let's see if any quantity. So this is equal to 23. So after calculation, 22 plus minus 36 plus x by 2, 2x into 10. So 2 5s are. So finally మనకు 20 plus ఇక్కడ minus 14 x minus 14 by x into 5 equal to 23. So final గా మనకు x minus 5x minus 14 70 equal to 23x. So it will be like 3x. So it is finally 23x here. So 23 లో నుండి మనకు 5 పోతే 18, 18x equals 70. So మన procedure is wrong. We will discuss again. Wait. So is there any direct result? This is actual procedure, but we missed some capital F small f values. That is the problem. Okay. ఇక్కడ 13 plus x, 19 plus x, 19 plus 3, 23, 22. Now formula is L plus n by 2. మనకి n by 2 తెలియాలంటే 22 plus x by 2. 22 plus x by 2 means it is 11 plus x by 2. 11 plus x by 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. సో 11 plus x by 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 22 13. Just wait. Frequency. If you have any doubt, you can just Google you all things will be better. So this is for discrete case. Here one example is there. F1 plus F2 equal to 229 minus, how do you know 229? I think they didn't mention n value in the question. They mention either n value. So given median of the rank is 23. Then marks of the student is okay. In the next class I will discuss this question. Okay. So here sigma is the standard deviation. So if you have variance of a minus x, then you will get variance of x only. So this is standard property sigma. So again same, if 5 is multiplying with each observation, then 5m will be the mean. So we will discuss till 94 questions. We will discuss in the next part. Okay, thank you.